Hello, my name is Dr. Rodriguez. I am a science professor. STEAM is an educational movement that combines science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. On the iSTEAM channel, we will introduce STEAM fields as access points for experiential learning, inquiry, and critical thinking. Today's episode:
Observing fungal cells. Fungi, singular fungus, are non-photosynthetic, heterotrophic eukaryotes. Yeasts, unicellular, molds, filamentous, and mushrooms, fleshy, are different categories of fungi. Procedure: use the stereo microscope in the compound light microscope to observe the following cultures: Aspergillus, Penicillium, Rhizopus, Saccharomyces, as well as slides of fungi, and identify each of them as a mold or yeast. Record the shape of the cells of each type of fungus.
I hope this presentation was insightful. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy learning about STEAM. Please also share this channel with someone you think can benefit from or will enjoy the presentation of the iSTEAM channel. Hope to see you soon!